Hi everyone, welcome back. So we will discuss, next questions. We were discussing about Infosys interview question and answer for automation test engineer, 3 to 5 year of experience. So if you will miss part 1 video, please watch the part 1 video. Quality testing tools. Okay, so means they are also in this in the part 2. So I don't want to make this video long. Okay, so just I'm going for the making the because if I will discuss in one video it will be a very long. Okay, so next question they have asked, what is BBD? So you guys already use a cucumber framework for the BBD, right?
You're right, bro.
So many uses are there, okay, for the BBD. So many of the scenario what happened. So user story we are defining as a BBD form. Okay, so what is the profit for that? Okay, so first of all our features file are ready, and those features file anyone can understand. Okay, developer, tester, a stakeholder, sometimes the business stakeholder or business people are not having the much coding knowledge, but they will understand very easily, right? So you can see that many of the companies are currently using the BBD concept, so anyone can understand very easily. Okay, so let me explore that BBD. If someone will ask you, it is a stand for behavior driven development, is an agile. So if you know the agile, or if you don't know, you can refer my playlist for the manual testing methodology that prioritize the collaboration among the developer, tester, or non-technical stakeholder to ensure the customer centric outcome. In BBD, requirements are defined regarding the desired behavior and user story. That is what I told you, right? Enabling the clear communication and focusing on the delivering the business value. Okay, so example. So guys, I have given you the example, right? So anyone can understand when you will write this requirement in our BBD format. Okay, so what the things we are using. So if you're already doing the practice for the cucumber, so you already know how to write the features file. So when we will write the scenario as a features file, you can see this is the plain English text. We are not writing any coding here, right? So this document we can share to anyone. Understood, right? So in this video I'm not going to explore how to write the features file. You can refer, many tutorials are there. In the coming session I will also upload cucumber videos. Okay, how the BBD works, what the things how to things will start if you are using the BBD concept. Define the features, a stakeholder define the features they want in the application. Okay, then we can write the scenario using the given when and then means features file. Then we can automate, right? So when we will writing the features file, then we can automate, we can create a step definition, then we can create a method, and those methods we will call in the test runner class, that is called code development, then run test. So we have a several BBD frameworks. So we have a cucumber for Ruby, Java, and JavaScript. Cucumber supports for 3 languages, Ruby, Java, and JavaScript, and we have a spec flow for .NET. Behave for Python. Okay, so we have a behave framework for the Python. Okay, next question they have asked, write a code for the a screenshot. So this is the repeated question. Many times they have asked, can you write the code for how to take the screenshot? And this code is very important, guys. So I just took the one snapshot. Let me explain you. Take a screenshot is your interface. So we are doing some casting here. Understood, right? Then inside this take a screenshot, we have a method called get a screenshot. Okay, and we are passing the argument output type dot file. It will return the file, and here we have created a file object, and here we are passing the reference file object. Why we are creating, we are giving the path of the file. Then we have a file utils. One thing the people are doing the mistake, this file utils are coming from the Apache POI. Okay, we will not import the Apache POI, this file utils, you're not able to import that. And then we have a copy file. So just we are passing this source and destination, and this method I am calling here. Okay, Understood, right? Here you can see driver and we are passing the file path. Okay, so just keep handy this code. Many times they have asked in the interview. Okay, so that is understood, right? So keep this file handy, means this code handy. Okay, next question they have asked again related to BBD, means BBD framework only. What is scenario outline? So we have a scenario and scenario outline. So suppose you are going to use one data in one test cases, then we can go for the scenario. But if you want to execute multiple set of the data, then we should go for test a scenario outline. Suppose you are validating login features and we are passing a valid username and invalid password, right? So here this is the snapshot for the test scenario, and this parameter we are passing in the conical bracket. You can see we have a it, right? And here passing this. So when you will execute, the one test cases will execute one set of the data. Then again, how many test cases are passing, so how many test data you are passing, that many times your test will execute. Okay, this is what the scenario outline. What are the new features in Selenium 4? This is the one of the most asked question and repeated question nowadays days. So prepare well. So many enhancements Selenium people have done in Selenium 4. The first enhancement they have done for W3C WebDriver protocol. So what is the benefits for that? Selenium WebDriver 4 now fully support the W3 WebDriver protocol, which provide a standard way for interacting with the web browser. So they have been a bit faster and more improvement communicating with the web driver. Okay, in the different browser. Then we have another enhancement for the locators. For relative XPath, they have given some extra features: two left of, two right of, above and below. Okay, so next enhancement, improvement of action class. So they have done lot of improvement for the action class also. Clicking, right click, double click. Okay, so I will show you some important method for the action class, what the changes we have done. Then they have also they have also added some functionality better for tab management, means switch the window. So we have a one method called new window, so directly we can switch the window. So they have done some changes of desired capability. So instead of Firefox, where they are using the Firefox option, Chrome option, Internet Explorer option, in Edge they are using the Edge